Hey guys, impromptu video. Don't have my gimbal or my microphone. I'm just gonna have to start leaving them in the car, but hey, we are in kind of midtown-ish Tulsa today. Let me flip this around. Quick little home tour for you. So we're at 5766. Really great little updated charmer here. Great flower beds. Nice front porch there. Currently asking $225,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's head on in here. Not a huge house, so this isn't going to be a super long tour, but I wanted to show y'all what you get. So, great original wood floors, very nice. You have a coat closet right here off the entrance. Love the accent wall there. Great size room. This is kind of a your dining room is right here. This is kind of just a little sitting nook. You also have a laundry room right in here. A little bit different placement, but it's not bad. It's kind of quirky, but kind of goes with the age of the house. That is one of the things I've noticed being in so many houses is just how lifestyle has changed and how people live in their homes is so different than what it was even just like 30 or 40 years ago. And then your kitchen's right here. Good size, lots of storage around there. Loads of cabinet space, gas range, and then you do have a granite countertop as well. Nice tile backsplash. Double sink. Here's that 2-car garage. Nice size. We'll head around. I like the double doors into your main living space. Great fireplace. You got stacked stone there, which is great. And I think this one's gas, if I'm not mistaken. Huge room. We'll head over this way. Check out the backyard. Good patio space. Good size yard here. Show you the back. And remember, there is a gate over there on the side if you needed to get to the front yard when you're mowing, that kind of stuff. Let's head around. Check out the other side. So you have a utility closet here. Here's that hall bath. Good size. Nice tiled shower tub combo. And then you have a linen closet right there. You also have an attic fan in here, which is super cool. Love those. One of the bedrooms. Closet. We'll head around. Here's the other bedroom. This one's actually the master. Yeah, good sized closet. And then we've got that full bath. Compact, but it works. It's not actually too cramped. For the size of home, I think it's pretty good. We'll head around. You got linen closet in the hallway here, and that third bedroom. This one has a little bump out, which is nice for a little desk, or if whoever uses this room, probably your kid wants to put their TV there or something, would be great. And of course it has a closet as well. Like I said, kind of a speed tour today, but if you want to see more information and photos on this property, I'll put it in the description like always. I think it's a pretty good deal for the area of town. You're pretty much close to everything. You're kind of in the middle of Tulsa. And the house is pretty much move-in ready. So yeah, let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.